Here's Jacob. Jacob right here. I'm filming. Here's Anthony. We are Anthony's using his KWA M4. We're playing a hostage. We're playing hostage game mode right now. We're the defending team. We're defending the hostage. They're in that base over there. Here's John with his ghillie suit and his Kalashnikov AK. Sorry, bro.
Now we're just trying to desperately.
Enemy team over there.
I would just get to here now.
I'm gonna move out. They're getting shot at. He's getting revived. There's a bunch of guys. There's a bunch of guys over there. Guys, you guys just back up that way. Back up behind you so you're still behind the protecting the cover. They're taking heavy fire. That sucks for them. If Anthony was smart, he would just go straight back and then go around the back of the mat. Wow, this enemy team's stacked just with guys. I don't know why they haven't taken the base yet. Move over here. Three guys. Two more guys. These guys got me out over here. So that sucked. They're all behind there. And my teammates over there. He's right there. I don't know why he doesn't take him out. These guys are, I don't even know, staying back. Not doing a whole lot. That's why our team isn't doing so good right now. Their whole team is just pushed up. It's actually quite funny. He got him. Jacob's still running back. They're moving up. I'll get over the way. I have no idea why that guy didn't just move up and take them all out. They're all just in there. Oh, they're moving up quick now. These guys are screwed.
Hey!
Somebody's getting yelled at.
That's gonna be a hit!
They're all behind there. They're all gonna just get lit up. Oops, most of them are dead though. I don't think they realize that.
There's a guy there going this, Lewis. I point my gun at him and he gets up and runs the fucking way.
there somebody back here? Yo! Camera! Oh, it's John. In his ghillie suit. I'm guessing gigs are behind the white thing that you guys are pinned down behind.
One game where I need my freaking sniper.
And you don't have it.
Yeah, don't get too close. Right. Let me try to get a little closer.
Gig, dude, if I were you, John, if I were you, look at me. I'd go all the way around and just sneak behind them. They're not gonna realize it. They're looking to your right. They're not even paying attention back here. And besides, you can't see you at all. I didn't see you until I got really close to you. John's going full stealth. By the way, the reason the game just was started in the middle is because I was out. I got out. There's only one respawn. I think they moved. Yeah, they moved. They're behind that spindle. Yeah, I think it's Angus.
Did I hit him?
I don't know. I'm not looking. No, I don't think so.
Oh, not now.
His gun's having problems.
What I got in my wound in the high cap is what's left.
Turn to semi. Keep off full.
As soon as it's running low, I know exactly what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Oh well, it was a good run.
You got fucked up. Game's still going on there. That kid's good. Not John. The kid that John got was good. Or the kid that got hit by John. Did you really?
Huh?
Did you really?
It wasn't Angus, it was the other dude. I think it's Giggs.
It's probably Gigs because Gigs was around there.
Looked like he was going to medical because after he got moved down. What's up?
They're all
Yeah, no,
swarming
I'm
around
out.
there.
We're good.
They're all swarming that base, dude. I'm gonna get this. I think they got it.
Another one of these like satanic freaking prickly things.
Yep. Dude, I swear, this one guy right here, he's been here the whole game.
Nick, look at this.
I hate those things.
I don't know how that got in there, but.
Is that game?
Yeah, it looks like game.
That's game. We lost.
Well,
All right.
I got some.